Dumela nna le bitso la ka ke Tshidiso Mahlwane a thipuong ya matsoho ke na le Augustine Letlalo ditaba ke tsa hora ya botshelela mothating ona la le jwalo ha hle re thakgwe ka tsona ka tsela e latelang. ANC ha ya lebella hore komiti ya yona ya naha ya kgalemo e leng NDC e be le mehato ya kgalemo kgahlano le mo presidente wa yona wa mehleng e leng Jacob Zuma. Moetapele wa IFP Velenkosini Hlabisa o re mokga wa habo o sebetsa ka thata o netefatsa hore o fumana palo e ngata ya divoutu. Sehlopha sa diatletiki sa banna ba bane sa Afrika Borwa sa lebelo la dimitara tse 400 se phunyeleditse ho ya dipapading tsa di-Olimpiki Paris lebelong la lefatshe la diatletiki Bahamas. Tsona re dithakgola semmuso ka ditaba tse reng ANC ha ya lebella hore komiti ya yona ya naha ya kgalemo NDC e be le mehato ya kgalemo kgahlano le mo presidente wa yona wa mehleng e leng Jacob Zuma ka labobedi.
Mongodi e moholo wa ANC Fikile Mbalula o netefaditse hore ho mamelwa mehato ya kgalemo ya mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC Jacob Zuma ho emisitswe ha jwale.
No, we said the NDC must stand in abeyance, including virtual, till after elections. We don't expect anything to take place on Tuesday, as the instruction has been communicated.
Mbalula ha rata ho alalele mephate hore ke mehato efe ya tshireletso e lebisitseng qetong ya moraorao ya ho kginwa ha mehato ya kgalemo ya Zuma.
I mean, security concerns come from the state side and even our own security. And it's not up to me to reveal that.
Ka mora diketsalo tsena tsa moraorao mokga wa MK o ntse o sitlalletse hore o tlo le ba Luthuli House.
It will be there as far as we're concerned. We're there by invite. The ANC invited us over, and they knew very well that wherever President Zuma is, we'll be there to support him. So, for them to also refer to a provocation of some sort, I mean, the mere fact that they can request President Zuma's presence at Luthuli House, for their kangaroo court DC, before the elections is absurd. So, they brought this upon themselves, and President being, one person who's not a coward would definitely be there. So, and in person. So, and that's where we're at. That's where we stand.
Ka ho le leng ANC e re ha ikamahanye le ditlaleho tsa ho hlahlojwa le ho lekolwa mohlanga wa phethahatso wa SABC Moshweshwe Monare ka hore SABC e na le boikemelo.
SABC as the client of state security, if it decides the board and the management that everybody at SABC at whatever level must be vetted, that's the decision of the SABC. Now, the ANC does not get involved in the tasks undertaken by various institutions in undertaking the mission of exercising their management prerogatives.
Kajeno ibile le kgetlo la bobedi ba tshehetsi ba ANC le MK ba ba sebakeng se le seng mme ho sa be le ditlaleho tsa diketsalo tse sa jeseng ditheohelang.
Motlatsi mo presidente wa mehleng wa ANC David Mabuza o re ena ke nako e boima ka ho fetisisa ho ANC mabapi le ntwa e pakeng tsa mokga le mo presidente wa mehleng Jacob Zuma.
Wa mo presidente wa mehleng wa mokga wa ANC David Mabuza o sa iponahatsa hape sedikadikweng sa dipolotiki.
The ANC has survived so many blows, and I'm sure we'll survive this one. Like I said, is the decision of the former president to leave the ANC. Whatever the reasons, well, we can't blame him. Ourselves will remain in the ANC. Now, the ANC will follow its own processes to discipline members, and all of us are equal before the ANC. The constitution of the ANC will apply irregardless of your status. I think let's allow the DC of the ANC to deal with the matter without our interference. Whatever the verdict, it will be upon the DC. And evidence that is going to be presented before it, counter-arguments, but it's a sad chapter. Of course, we'll have to face it.
Mabuza o re mopresidente wa mehleng Jacob Zuma dikgetho tseo a di entseng di lokela ho tlohelwa di le jwalo.
We have been through this journey before. Like I told you, we went through the formation of COPE, which was very formidable in my take. EFF, not really formidable. MK, not really formidable in my take. We will survive this one.
Mabuza o ntse a le dipolotiking mme o itukisetsa leeto le tlang.
I'm still with the ANC for the longest time you can think of, until I retire. I've not retired. That's why I'm here. But you must know that I'm fit and sound and good. My health has improved. As you can see, I'm up and about and I'm running.
Motlatsi wa mehleng wa mopresidente wa ANC ha jwale o tla nka letsholo la hae la ho ngoka ka bakgethi provinseng ya Mpumalanga le KwaZulu-Natal.
Ditaba ka puo ya marena ya Sesotho di tswela pele ho SABC2. Motlatsi wa mopresidente wa ANC Paul Mashatile o ananetse hore di sa le ngata dintho tse lokelang ho etswa ho netefatsa ho nolofaletsa maAfrika Borwa bophelo.
Kereke eno e ne tletse phetelela. Bakereki ba ne ba opela le go bina, mme morago ba ne ba oba ditlhogo go rapelela ditlhopho tse di sireletsegileng. Moeteledipele wa kereke o gateletse gore borra dipolotiki ba seke ba dirisa tšhono eno fela ya go nna ya go bolotsa ditlhopho, mme ba netefatse gore ba tokafatsa matshelo a batho.
Re a tshepa gore mokgatlo o busang o tla kgona ho rofetule maphelo a batho ba rona. Re phela ka bofoma, batjha ba rona bana mesebetsi.
Mashatile o dumetse gore lekoko la ANC le santse le tshwanelwa ke go dira go le gontsi.
Together we can do more. As we work together, we will do double what we have done in 30 years. We will cross the river Jordan.
Bakereki ba basha ba re loeto la ga Mashatile lo ba neile tshepo.
There's still hope mo ANC. Ha re bolella gore o tlo go bua atla ene after the elections go tlo go nna le tshosoletso ya gore ba fedise botlhokatiro.
Ke kgale tota re letile re solofela gore mo nakong e tlang Afrika Borwa le yone e ka fetogenna jaaka di-country tse dingwe godile ebile botlhokatiro bo fokotsegile thata mo Afrika Borwa.
Bakereki ba re ba solofela gore loeto lo ga Mashatile lwa malatsi a le mabedi mo Northern Cape lo tla tlisa diphetogo. Tebogo Msimanga, SABC News mo Pampierstad mo Northern Cape.
Mopresidente wa mokga wa African People's Convention e leng APC ka bokgutshwanyane Themba Godi o re mokga wa hae o ikemiseditse ho fumana ditulo tse pedi parlamenteng ka mora dikgetho tse akaretsang tsa naha.
Baetapele le ditho tsa mokga wa APC ba ne ba le kerekeng ya motse Mpumalanga nakong ena ya matsholo a dikgetho. Baahi ba na le tumelo e tiileng ya hore APC e tlo rarolla mathata ao ba tobaneng le ona.
Ke nagana gore APC ka tlisa change e kgolo, more especially ga re checka mo ga rena re le mo ga re phela mo di rural areas. O ka re rena ba re lebetse ga dilo tse dingata ge re checka gone yana o ka re lebelela mmila ya rena e dikotikoti a gona mmereko a gona change ge re ya ga economy mo re gore ga re lebelela gore mo nageng ya rona rena re le more especially ga rena mo bushback region or naga ka bophara mo rural areas rena le bogoni be boitseng ge re lebelela naga rena e bile e rich ka nthena ka agriculture mo le goreng baswa ba ka ba fa bonyetla gore ba leme e bile not re baswa fela setšhaba bo le rwa ba ya bela mo boitseng ra gona le fast le itseng gore ba ka gona go ya ba bjala ba kgona go fepa di-family tsa bona mo le gore rena re le ba APC if ever go ka dira so re tlo kgona gore re ba thushe ka gore le gona ba kgone gore ba kgone go isa dintwena dijala tsa bona or dilo tse ba di bonne mo ntwena mo di shopong tse di kgolo tshwana le bo Shoprite bo Pick n Pay even le go JSB market ba ka kgona gore ba patja re ba thushe gape ka gore re kgone gore re ba fe a service delivery e le goreng e right ge re ra checka gape go na le mitse mengata re sepitse mo ga yona ra bona gore batho ba hloka a gona ntwena a gona di barking batho ba le gore ba thusha gore ba ka kgona gore ba ka isa dilo tsa ka maleng ba ba neglectile batho bao
kopela go stopane kopela o boletse ka English o boletse gore mmuso o lenteng a o le tlhokomele kopela o repeat that part
ke be ke re ka lebella gape le mmuso wa rona ke lebella gore batho ba le gore ba hlopega o ba latlhetse diatla a ba re hlokomele ba tlo tla fela ka nako ela le goreng ba banyaka di vote fela ba tla ka nako ela le goreng ba tseba gore batho ga bana selo o tla mola a tshwerenyana ntwe e itseng a re mona ke 2 rand or 20 rantanyana then o re votela mara after setse ba votile ga ba sa dira selo reng ba tshepisitse badudi ba borena so ke nako ya gore badudi ba borena ba thome fase ba itseba ga botse ba di nyaka position ba itseba ga botse na re emi kae ke ntwe le re nyaka rena re le badudi ba mo South Africa nna ke tswa re ke bona gore APC is a right party le gore ba ka e votela le ba nyaka ditirelo tse di tseng mo South Africa
Mopresidente wa Moga o ikanne o sebeletsa setšhaba.
The APC has a track record. I chaired the Public Accounts Committee for 13 and a half years with distinction. In this area, I also have a good track record of having led the struggle of these people to be moved from Limpopo to Mpumalanga. And in this area again, headmen, home-based carers, as well as preschool teachers. We fought for them, we fought with them. Today, they are getting the minimum wage in the country. So we're standing in front of these people with the confidence of a party that has a track record in serving the people. What we want the most, above all else, it's service delivery to the people.
Moetapele eno wa APC o dumela ha moga wa hae o tlo ba wa pele wa go gutlela parlamenteng ka mora dikgetho tsena tse tlang.
Ratela pele ketso e kgolo ka o fetisisa yo ma Afrika Borwa a ka nkang karolo ho yona ntle le ho ya mebileng ke o se votele ANC ka dikgetho tse akaretsang tsa naha ka la 20 a mitsorobong kgodinya Motsheanong. Sena ke o ya ka mo presidente wa IFP Velenkosi Nihlabisa le tsholong la mogalaong ka tshietso a le maphumulo haufi le kwa Dukuza.
The IFP has taken its campaign throughout South Africa, and we do not want to leave anything to a chance or mistake. We are visiting the areas we govern, the areas where we lost control like Maphumulo, but even the virgin areas like yesterday I was at Umzimkhulu. On Tuesday I'm going down to Pizana in Eastern Cape. So now this year we want to activate all people of South Africa, the 27.6 million South Africans, as we are crossing South Africa. 2 weeks ago I was in Free State. On the 1st of May I was in Mpumalanga. On the 11th of May I will be Northwest. On the 18th of May I will be in Limpopo. So now we are crossing the country, meeting the people of South Africa physically, talk to them about the real life situations and encourage them that on the 29th of May is a great day in our country, a day of change, a day of removing a government that has failed us over a period of 30 years. Because we cannot lie. Yes, we celebrate that we got freedom on 27 April 1994. But if you look at the gains, unemployment is high, corruption is worse, crime is bad in our societies, load shedding is coming back in June after 29 May. The services are poor. If you go to health facilities, clinics and hospitals, and in our schools. So now, the reason why we are here, we want to activate people of Mapumulo because they know the IFP, when given a chance to govern, the IFP is able to deliver. We are able to create job opportunities close by at Mandeni. It is IFP that brought the industries at Wastebe that provided job opportunities to our people while we were governing KwaZulu-Natal and erstwhile KwaZulu, which is no longer case today. We want to revive that scenario of a government that will create jobs, make safer communities, and load shedding, deal with corruption, provide quality health care and education to our children, especially those who were previously disadvantaged.
Ratela pele mokgatlo wa basebetsi wa AMCU o re dipatlisiso tsa ho hlokahala basebetsi merafong di lokela ho potlakiswa haholoholo diketsalong tse bakileng dipolao tse ngata.
Batho ba le 11 ba ne ba tlhokafala mo kotsing ya moepo, ba bangwe ba le 75 ba ne ba gobala. Muswi wa bo12 le muswi wa bo13 ba ne ba tlhokafalela kwa bookelong.
As a consequence of this incident, the Chief Operating Officer and CEO of Impala made a deliberate decision to stop every winding operation at Rustenburg until we are able to determine the failure that caused this accident and until we are able to provide assurance that no possibility exists of repeating this at any other part of the business.
We'll work together with organized labor, we'll work together with management, we'll also work together with the affected workers and families to really to understand what has caused this particular accident. We'll actually strive to ensure that it's done timely. We normally strive to ensure that they are done within 3 months, but thereafter there is a process that ensues of us conducting an inquiry.
Ka Ferikgong monongwaga, Impala e ne ya neela lefapha la diminerale pegelo go kgontsha lefapha go simolola dikgato tebang le kotsi eno. Jaanong jaaka e setse e ka nna dikgwedi di le 6 fa e sale matlhotlhapelo ano, lefapha la re dipatlisiso tsa lona ga di ise di konosediwe. Le fa go le jalo, mokgatlho wa badirameepong wa AMCU wa re go tshwanetse go itlhaganisediwa dipatlisiso tsa dintsho tsa mo meepong.
AMCU has made several clarion calls to amend Mine Health and Safety Act to address the shortcomings we are experiencing regarding fatal inquiries and release of Section 72 report at least 3 months after the inquiry has been concluded.
Go ya ka pegelo ya sešweng ya Impala ka bomadimabe go modiri a le mongwe yo tlhokafaletseng kwa moepong wa Impala kwa Rustenburg monongwaga go latela kotsi ya ka fa tlase ga lefatshe. Sentle English, SABC News, Rustenburg.
Projeke ya mmuso wa province ya Free State ya ho tloswa ha marulelo a asbestos le ho rulelwa ka masenke e se e qadile.
Province e ipehetse sekepele sa matlo a dikete tse 2 selemong ka seng sa ditjhelete. Ho fihla mothating ona ke matlo a ka bang 220 a seng a fetotswe marulelo.
Nna ke thabile ngwanaka hobane ne ke sena bona ba o kenya masenke ao le ceiling ya kere. Ha ona o ngong ka reng ke o bilela.
Sefo se ke teng tsena ya ngakere ya asbestos e sharp. Mara se le go tsunya masenke ha ke sharp. Ke phela sharp.
E mong wa baahi o re o dutse tlung ya hae dilemo tse fetang 40 le hore ho tloha ka yona nako eo ha o diphethoho tseo a ileng a di bona.
Ntlo ena no tshwantse be tshintshile kae ha so ka tshintshile. Wa fihla batho mona last year ka December ba re yena ba nkile difoto ba re yena e tshwanela total e kinwe masenke. Tshwantse be yo fast ke December ka nako ene ba fetsa 20 ke le mo the first 25 ya batho ba ile hore bana ba kentswe mo nthong eo.
Moengineer wa projeke ena o re tsamaiso e qala ka ho buisana le beng ba matlo, mme ba etsa sena ka tshebedisano le kantoro ya molekgotla wa ward le kantoro ya mookamedi wa lefapha la bodulo wa Lebatowa.
Then hore ba tswele ka ntle ga matlo re make sure because a bana access mo di-stofong tsa bona hore ba kgona ho phega re ba fa 3 meals a day.
Projeke ena e ne e kgakolwe ka selemo sa 2014 fela ya aparelwa ke ketsahalo tsa bobodu. Ha ho tla ajwa diranta tse dimilione tse 255 ka bolotsana. Taba ena e ntse e le makgotleng a dinyewe le jwale.
Mo o song o tlositswe marulelo teng ha e ka ba hona le diphoso tse etsaetseng ba di report ka pelenyana. Tse ding tsa diphoso ke diphoso tsa hore neng pula ha ena metsi a sa kena ka tlung. Tse ding tsa diphoso ke hore mabota ha ba ntse ba sebetsa a mang a sana le di-cracks. Ke inisitswe dintlong tse ding mo ke bontshitsweng diphoso tseo. So re dumellana le batho ba neng ba sebetsa dijareteng tse hore ho tlamehile phoso tseo di lokiswe hanghang.
Ba unang molemo projekeng ena ba kgothaleditswe ho itlhahisa le ho tlaleha diphoso tse teng hang fela ha di iponahatsa. Konelo le Khafo, ditaba tsa SA.
Ha re feta mo re kgohlela hantle karolong ya dipapadi, sehlopha sa diatletiki sa banna ba bane sa Afrika Borwa sa lebelo la dimetara tse 400 se phunyeleditse ya dipapading tsa di-Olimpiki Paris lebelong la lefatshe la diatletiki Bahamas. Mui ha re boela re kopane hape nakong e tlang. Ke o taba.